Hello there, my fellow aviation lovers. Today I will be showing you how to build a Cessna 402. Now it is a very small plane, just like the 208 over there. I actually thought of counting the actual windows and where the doors were. There are 5 windows and 2 of them are the doors, as you can see. And I think I pulled off the propellers really well. It looks pretty nice in my opinion. Anyways, let's get into it. These are the blocks you will need: grindstone, quartz slab, white carpet, quartz stair, dark oak fence gate, block of quartz, and a pillar quartz block for the stabilizer over there. You will also need a grass block for some of the things we will be building. Anyways, so first of all, you wanna go up 2, break the bottom one, break a grass block in any direction you want to, and place a grindstone under it. Then place a grass block to fill it in. Then on the end of that, place a upside down quartz stair. On the wheel block, go back 3. So you should get something just like this. Break this one, so get your quartz block, your quartz stair, place an upside down stair on each side just like so. I keep messing up, so make sure it's on this last block here. You will also need a block of coal for the windshield. Go across 3 and go back 1. So basically just make it so that it's like a rectangle. With your block of quartz, go back about 6 blocks. And on top of those 6 blocks, place another 6 block of coal. Then with your quartz stair, place it upside down just like so. So then it will give you this part right here. Place quartz block behind the windshield here. Then you should get at least 5. I keep messing up. Yeah, so you should at least get 5 stairs in, just like this. With your quartz block on top of the block of coal, place it. On the windshield, place your slabs in a T shape. Then on the remaining, place a wool carpet, and make sure you do that on the nose also. On the top of, coming back from this slab, place 6 stairs on both sides. So you should get something just like this. Moving on to the wing, place a slab here and also here. And come out 2 times. Go back 1. On this block, on this slab here, place 1 coming out 3 times. And fill all of this in. Then you can just end it. So you should get a shape just like this. Now for the propeller, get your quartz block. Wait a second, hold on. With your quartz slab, place in 2 just like so. Get your block of quartz and come out 3. And build 3, sorry. So there should be 1 block of quartz in the wing. Get your dark oak fence gate, place 1 on the block, crouch to the side and tap on the side of that gate and do the same for both sides. And also place a dark oak fence on the top of the fence gate in the middle. So you should get something just like this. Now copy that over to the other side. Just like so. Then you want to go in between the engine and the front of the wing, go down, crouch, and on this block just behind, on the slab just behind, place a block. Then you want to break a grass block underneath that. Then place a grindstone, so you should get something just like this. Then fill in that glass block again, and then you have the back wheel. I'll even do it again. So you want to come behind the engine, break 1 slab, place a block, break a grass block, place a grindstone, and then you should have it just like this. Refill that glass block, and then boom, you have your back wheel. With your quartz block, on this last stair here, build out 2, just like so. You can even fill in that bit there. Then build out another 1. So you should get just a 3 by 3, 9 blocks in total. Something just like this. With your quartz slab, place a top slab on both of them just like this. With your quartz stair, place an upside down stair, and then an upside down forward stair, which you should leave 1 block remaining. one upside down stair, one backwards upside down stair, just like that. And then you can just fill this in. Yeah. So with your quartz block, build out 4 on top of here. Just like so. Then with your quartz slab, build out 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just like so. I did it wrong again. So it shouldn't be 4 on the first layer, it should be 3. So you should get something just like this. But if you wanna, you can make it with your block of quartz. Build out until you have this one chunk here visible from the upside down backward stair. Then place one upside down stair just like so. Build up one. Come out one stair. Then do the same thing again. So you should get something awfully just like this. Then on that stair, place another stair. Get your quartz slab. Build out on those stairs just like so with your slabs. Then have one top slab just like this. With your block of quartz on that stair there, place 5 blocks. One stair, then place a slab until there's only 2 blocks remaining up here. Then place a stair, leaving 1 block visible. With your pillar block, quartz block, build up 2, and fill that in. Go up 1 stair, then fill it in. And there you have it, your Cessna 402. Very small build. Luckily, some of my other builds will be able to have interior, hopefully. And I'm not too sure if some of my builds will be 1:1 or 1.5.1 scale. But yeah, there you have it. And if you wanna, you can add flaps if you want to. But yeah, there's your Cessna 402 in Minecraft. Congratulations. See ya.